guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. I'm so glad you could join me today. Today is the release day for Not Too Shabby. I have 4 new stamp sets I'm going to share with you. We have an inspiration hop going on right now, so I'll have the links down below to all the design team members that are in this inspiration hop. You can get lots of inspiration on how to use these stamps. They are so cute. The images are all drawn by Caparuza Sketch. Let me give you some more information about the hop. I will have all the information in the description box down below. Just hop on over to the next person in line, watch and comment, and if you enjoy the video, give us a big thumbs up. Liking and subscribing is always appreciated, but not required. One lucky winner is going to win a $25 gift certificate to Not Too Shabby. I will be pulling the winner in a week, so all you have to do is leave a comment on each of the videos in the hop. And I just love them. I know you guys are going to love these stamps. So we've got here Picnic Fun. Isn't that adorable? There's a very nice picnic table with an umbrella. We've got a little banner. We've got the sentiment Picnic Fun. You're invited, and hey cutie pie. And I love that sentiment with this cute little chick holding the pie. Isn't that adorable? We've got a cute panda with a picnic basket. There's another picnic basket, some apples, a pie, and it is just so cute. I can imagine invitations made with this for picnic parties. I can imagine little tags made with this little chick right here that says hey cutie pie, just for any occasion. And I love this little picnic table with the umbrella. I can imagine having the little umbrella paper pieced with different pattern papers. That would be so cute. So I can't wait to play with the stamp set. We've got Summertime Buddies. We've got these 2 cuties. There's a cat and a dog, and they are in their inner tubes getting ready to have some fun in the sun. We've got a sandcastle, a drink, could be lemonade or something like that. We've got a popsicle. We've got a sun. There's a little smiley face that you could stamp on the sun to make him really happy. There's some starfish, some bubbles, some little stars. And then the sentiments read, floating by to say hi, stay cool, get your shine on, summertime, and time for a break. Now we had a oopsie on the summertime. I didn't catch a spelling error, so I will be sending the correct stamp with your package. The next one here is these super adorable Spring is in the Air cuties. So I love these guys. Little rabbit, I love how his little ears are flopped down with his umbrella on top, and the cute little chick with boots. They are just so adorable. We've got a little rainbow, a little umbrella. We've got a pot here with flowers, and it's a watering can pot. We've got a rain boot with an umbrella and flowers. We've got a little Easter egg, a carrot, a flower. We've got the sentiments, I'm here, rain or shine, hip hooray, hello, spring is in the air. And I can imagine so many fun techniques you can do with this stamp set. Get out your stencil with the raindrops. How about your cloud stencils? And how about making a cute reflection in the water? So you stamp your little image upside down and make a reflection. That would be super fun. Use your glossy accents to make some raindrops or rain splashes on your card. And then for this one, I can imagine some interactive cards with some waves and pulling the little guys back and forth. That would be super, super fun. You can have the sun spinning. That would be another idea. And up next, I think is my favorite. This one here is called Tea Time Buddies, and it is so cute. I just love these little guys popping out of the teacups. You can have it as coffee as well. It doesn't have to be tea, but the sentiments are based on tea. We've got macaroons piled up. There's a single macaroon there, so you can put it to the side, add to your pile. We've got a little smiley face that will fit in the little macaroon there. We've got a little tea bag, a little stir, and a stack of teacups there. And these sentiments read, "To my best tea." I love that one. "You're a sweet tea, tea time and tea addict, and merci for thank you." So I love it. It's so cute. Which one is your favorite, guys? But guess what? You don't have to pick a favorite, because I am doing a whole stamp bundle. So you can get all 4 with a discount of 10% off. Plus, you can use the coupon code N2S10 for 10% off your order. So you can have it all at a discounted bundle price. And they are also sold separately. So I will have all the links down below to the stamp sets. And let's do a little bit of stamping. So I got my Misty here. I got some paper. Let's stamp out some of these cuties. So let's stamp out this one first, because it is my favorite. And the stamps are made with high quality photopolymer. They're nice and thick. So this cute little mouse. And what I'm going to do is stamp these all out. I'll color them and I'll cut them out with my Brother Scan and Cut. You can also just fussy cut them. These images are really easy to fussy cut and color. I should have used a bigger piece of paper because I want to stamp all of the images. I'm going to use Memento Tuxedo Black ink for my stamping. Super cute. So what I'm going to do is make these videos throughout the week with each stamp set, so that by the time you get these home, you can follow along with my video and create some really cool cards. So here are my images all colored up. How cute is this? This cute little rainbow, the little umbrella, and I did little paper piecing on the umbrellas. Got the little watering can, a little flower, a carrot, the boot with the umbrella inside and the little flowers, the Easter egg, the cute bunny and chick. They look so adorable colored up. So we've got our summertime buddies here. Here's our little drink. So I turned that into a lemonade. We've got the cute little kitty. I put some stripes on him. And then these are these little starfish. We've got 2 sizes. We've got a sun. You can add the little smiley face to the sun to make the sun happy looking. Then we've got the cute dog. And then the sand castle, the ice cream, and the bubbles. Here we go with the tea time buddies. So we've got our little mouse, our little rabbit there, the stirring stick, our stack of teacups, our macaroons, our single macaroon. I stamped a little smiley face on him, the little tea bag there. Here's a little stack of macaroons that I did. Piled those up. And then our last one here, we've got the picnic fun. So there's our cute picnic table. We've got that chick with the pie, the little panda with the basket. And I'm missing my pie. Here we go. And our little pie. So how fun is that? So now I'll share some cards with you guys, and then you can hop on over to the next person in the hop. So for my first card, I used Tea Time Buddies, and I created a slimline card, and it was so fun to make. I love making slimline cards. They are one of my favorites. So what I did was I cut some hills, and I pieced them all back together, and I just did a rainbow effect here with the distressed inks. I did some splattering, and I will have a video tutorial on all the cards that I'm sharing today throughout the week. I just used all the cute little images in the stamp set. I couldn't help myself since they would all fit on the slimline card. I also added these little banners, and I did the sentiments in white embossing powder. To my bestie, you're a sweetie. And then on the inside, I have a stack of macaroons, which is really, really fun. And then I just matted the back with some black cardstock. So that's card number 1. For my second card, I created this really, really cute card, and I used our Spring is in the Air stamp set. I created a little waterfall at the bottom, so I did some mirror stamping. And I'll have the video on this throughout the week, so watch my YouTube channel. Hit the little bell. That way you will get a notification when I post a new video, so then you can see when I'm posting these videos for each of these cards. Now this is the rainfall card. Now isn't that fun? Look how cool that is, and it's so much fun to play with, and anyone that receives this card will get a real kick out of it. So I've been dying to try this tutorial out, and I finally had a chance to play around with this type of card. As soon as I saw these cute little guys with the umbrellas, I knew I had to create this card. I did some paper piecing on the umbrellas, and doesn't that look cute? Added some sequins. The little die at the top here, this is from Sunny Studio. It's their fluffy, cloudy border die, and I'll have that linked in the description box. And I just created a hill for the bottom, and then connecting these two is a piece of acetate. And on the inside, I just have the little rainbow from the stamp set. So that's card number 2. Now card number 3 is really, really fun as well. This is a slider card, and this was my first time creating a slider card. And it didn't work for me, you see. Once I put all the layers together, I think it got a little bit too tight. I should have layered it up 3 times instead of 2 to have my little slider freely move. Or I should have used a different slider mechanism. I used some foam tape, and that might be catching on there. I'm not sure. Otherwise, it might be the fact that I added texture paint splatters to the bottom there, and it might be catching on those paint splatters. But either way, the card is super fun, it's super cute. The person that receives it can still move the little images with their hands and just position the little characters where they want. But I'll put a little video on how it should look. And then I butted up the little banner to the sun, Get Your Shine On. So this is using our Summertime Buddies stamp set. And then I didn't decorate the inside of this one, but I did decorate the back. I just matted it with black cardstock. So card number 4 and 5, this is from our Picnic Fun stamp set. Now isn't this adorable? Look at the cute little panda bear. And I love this little picnic table. I added the little pie and apples on top, the little banner right here in the corner. I stamped out You're Invited. I used a grassy hill die for the bottom there. I did some clouds with the MFT cloud stencil. Added some sequins, and on the inside it says picnic fun with a little picnic basket. I love that cute little panda bear. I added some little white stripes to his overalls. I think he's adorable. And then for this one, I created this cute little card, and I wanted to use the sentiment, "Hey cutie pie," with this cute little chick with the pie. And then I took the single pie stamp and just randomly stamped it on the paper and did a little black and white background. And then I matted that on some Lawn Fawn paper and created just a cute, simple, quick card. I hope you enjoyed the cards that I created for you today. I had so much fun making these cards for the hop. Don't forget to head on over to the next person in the hop and see what they've created. We had so much fun creating so many different projects. They also helped me come up with some of these sentiments that are included in the release. And that was really fun to include them in that process. So thank you guys for stopping by, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye guys!